Hello Python programmers. So this is another paid course giveaway video, sort of a New Year and Christmas gift. So this time we are giving away this reinforcement learning with TensorFlow 2.0 course, which is a 250 rupees course. We are giving away this course to 5 of our viewers for free. So this course will teach you many things like OpenAI and TensorFlow from reinforcement learning, dynamic learning, and many things like that. I'm pretty sure that you can just visit to this web page and see all the details. So now let's come to the main point. That is how you can participate in this giveaway. So the rules are pretty simple. You just need to select any of our project which are present on our YouTube channel or on a GitHub page. The links are popping on your screen. Just select any of our project and modify it according to yourself. You can just change the color of the GUI, you can add some functionality, anything that you think is enough to win this giveaway. Modify it and send us at harshit.roy@iknowpython.com. Once again, the email ID is popping on your screen, harshit.roy@iknowpython.com. Just send us that project and you are in for this giveaway.